Most commercial baby powders are talcum powders, which contains talc. There has been lots of research conducted on the link between cancers and talc. And recently, researchers are warning against the use of products containing talc. Research seems to suggest that talc may increase the risk of ovarian cancer in women. When you find out how easy this is to make, you will realize that buying the expensive chemically filled baby powders at the store is pointless. Not only it is easy, but surprisingly very cheap. With this baby powder, you don't have to worry about breathing in harmful chemicals. We all really want to raise our children in more toxic-free environment, and I thought the baby creams, soaps and powders would be a good place to start. So for this baby powder, we require arrowroot powder, oats powder and essential oils. Here I am using lavender and rosemary essential oil to enhance healing properties and scent. Oatmeal to remove the excess oil on your skin, and it softens and soothes the skin. The main purpose of the arrowroot is it absorbs the moisture, so it is a great option for natural recipes which requires powder. This is how the arrowroot looks. This cost me only 16 rupees for 200 grams. So it is very cheap. It is very easy to make. Just mix both the powders in a mixing bowl. So, does it really work? Yes. The main purpose of a baby powder is to absorb additional moisture from the damp skin. This moisture absorbing ability will reduce the chances of getting rashes in nappy areas. Anytime my little one would get a rash or diaper rash, I would apply the powder with each clean diaper, and by the next morning, no more rash.